All right, let's start the installation process. I have, it's completely out of frame. I have this and this. I just removed this part from here, and it's just a little bit easier for me. So just do this. I'm trying my best to not get in the shot or be in the shot just enough or show you guys, but all I'm doing is just twisting this like so. Now I've got this piece right here. I'm just gonna twist it. So this piece, let me see. I wanna make sure that that's tight first. Okay. And this piece right here. Oh wait, it's gotta go this way. We gotta tighten that as much as we can. All right. And then let's see what it, is that actually able to hold? Wait. So we're gonna put this really looks like a hairdryer. I'm not even kidding you. So we're just gonna attach that. This is just impossible to do and film a video. Let's see. This angle is a little bit easier. So we'll take this off. Take this off. Oh yeah, well, we had a gasket washer fall down because, all right, so let's put this back on here. So we got our washer back in, our gasket. So if you need to take this off, you can just twist, and in order to put in one of the refills if you need to, but I'm gonna just leave it twisted. So I'm trying to tell you guys, the only reason this is difficult is because I feel like I'm a puppeteer or something like that, trying to make sure that everything's in the shot. So we'll just go ahead and put this, there we go. So now what I'm gonna do is just try to make sure that this is tight enough to where the shower head's not gonna just fall down. Let's see. All right, so the shower head is falling down a little bit, so that means I need to tighten it up. All right, so what I'm gonna do here to tighten this up, I'm just gonna hold this thing and use the leverage of this to tighten it. There we go, now that thing is not moving. All right. So the next part, so we got this, we just have to attach it here. Let's take this off, unscrew this part, attach that bad boy. Okay, and now let's see if some water will come out. Nope, because we have the stop. Ooh, that's fancy. That's interesting. So there are your three modes. This is the middle one and the outer one. That's that one. And there you go. So, oh wait, so these things don't even do anything. What in the world? It's just, is this just fancy or something like that? Oh wow, that pressure is nice. That pressure is nice. That pressure is really nice. That mist is crazy. I like that a lot. I really like that. That's a really good pressure. Anyways, that's the installation.